Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about how exactly the fitness coach profile looks like. So, we need to click on Get Started. On the sign up form, you need to fill your username, your name, your email ID, and this CAPTCHA. Click on Sign Up. Now, you will receive an email from weighinglab.com on your email ID. You need to open that email, which will look like this. So, you need to click here to generate the password. So generate password. So now you need to select whether you are a trainer nutritionist or a trainee. So we'll select this option. And then if you are a trainer, you can select this. If you are a dietitian or a nutritionist, you can select this option. So I'll go with this one. So if you are a yoga trainer, gym trainer, dance instructor, any Pilates instructor, CrossFit instructor, you can select that option, trainer. Or if you're a nutritionist and a dietitian, you can select the other one. And now you'll be presented with this update profile option. So here you need to fill your basic details, gender, your date of birth, the country you're from, state, city, the weight in kg, height in centimeters, languages you can simply type those languages and it will come over here. And then you need to upload your degree certificate in fitness and nutrition. So we have received pictures like profile picture, CV or mark sheet, such things from people. So please do not update that. You have to upload your degree which you have received, like your personal training course or whatever course you have done in yoga or other fields. So whatever course you have done and you have received a certificate, so you have to upload that and make sure that file is in either JPG, PNG, PDF or zip file. If you want to upload multiple files like 2 or 3 files, you can combine them and compress them using this format, zip format. But please make sure like the maximum file is not more than 5 MB, otherwise it will not upload. And then you need to select which type of trainer are you, either you are a gym trainer, yoga or a dance instructor or others. In others you can fill like you are a Pilates instructor, CrossFit or whichever category suits you, you can write that, right? And then you can select time availability, either you are available 1 hour per day, 2, 3, 4 or more than 4 hours. This is the fees you will be charging from the client. So we have written over here just for your help, like this is the fees you'll be charging for 1 month from the client. So whatever fees you want to charge, let's say 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, you can enter that, and the maximum fees is for 3 months. So whatever that would be, you can write over here. Your phone number, this is just for us, this will not be publicly available. Short bio, in this thing you can talk about your experience, like you have 10 years of experience, you have 15 years of experience, you have received degree from this institute, you are certified in these and these categories, and you have worked in these gyms or these fitness studios, like that. And finally you can click on the save button, so it will show like profile has been successfully updated. So your profile will be updated, and whatever you have written in the update profile, it will show over here. So this is your profile section, and you can follow these coaches. These are like the suggestions from Weighing Lab. So these coaches, they are already registered, so they also keep updating their profiles. So whatever they are updating, it will be showing on your home screen. So let's say I'm following some of the people. Right, so you can click over here and you will see whatever they have written here, and you can click on this like button. You can comment on their profile if you want. So whatever they are updating, you'll see on your home screen, and more suggestions will keep on coming and you can follow them. And whosoever has hired you, all the list of the clients will appear here. So this is the list of all the clients, or in other words trainees, who have hired you. So the list of those trainees will show over here. And this is the feedback option. So feedback means like the persons who have hired you, on the feedback the list of all those same clients will appear over here along with the feedback which they have given you. So after the term has ended, let's say they hired you for 45 days. So after that 45-day period has ended, you can leave a feedback on their profile and it will appear over here, and whatever feedback they have given you along with the rating, that will also show here. So right now it is like nothing is coming over here, and whatever notifications appear, like someone followed you or someone messaged you, so that will appear over here on this bell icon. You need to click here. Finally, on this magnifying glass, if you click, you will be headed over to the search section. So as a fitness coach, you can also search any other coach on the website. Like you can select looking for trainer or nutritionist. Let's say I'm looking for trainer, then the trainer type, gym trainer, yoga trainer, dance instructor, or others. You can select accordingly. Let's say I selected this. Then based upon the location of that fitness coach, you can filter. Based upon the language he or she knows, you can filter again, and the rating he has received from the trainees, this is the average rating. So number of trainees he has trained, and then time availability, then member since, like for how long they have been a member of this website. Less than a month, less than 6 months, less than 1 year, or more than 1 year. And then the coach fees. So this is the minimum fees and the maximum fees. You can arrange this bar, right? Based upon that, you'll see the list of the coaches dynamically. This is basically provided to you just to see how exactly other fitness coaches are doing. So how much they are charging from the clients. So basically these filters are provided just to let you know how exactly the other coaches are doing. And you'll see this blue tick mark. This means like their profile is verified. By verified, it means like they have uploaded their fitness degree. So you can open any person's profile. So just like you'll see whatever they have uploaded on their profile, you'll see over here. You can follow them, you can chat with them, or if you want to block that person, you can block from here, chat block. And for some reason, if you thought like now you want to unblock that person or you block that person accidentally, you can click this button, unblock chat. So now once again you can chat with this person. Also, if you want to report anything, like you want, if you think like something is not right, you can also report this post. So you can send us a message like this is not correct or this is like offensive. You can type your message over here and click submit. You can also post anything you want by typing over here, like write something. You can write something. You can upload a picture by clicking this button. You can add a video link, like here you can put the YouTube URL and the video will show in the feed, and this is the post button. After you are done, you can click this button, submit post. And anytime you want to make changes in your profile, you can click on update profile, go over here and you can do that. If you want to change your email ID, you can do that by clicking over here and follow the steps. And one thing more, any client who will be hiring you, the list of the clients will show over here, and once the contract has started, you can see what exactly he is logging in his diet book. So we provide a feature called diet dictionary to the trainees. So whatever they are eating and whatever they are drinking, they can log that into that diet dictionary. So if they are logging that thing, you can check that from here. So you can monitor your client progress from here. So if there are multiple active contracts, so it will be a bit easier for you to manage it. So based upon that logged activity, you can tell your client if they need to make changes in their diet. And in my account, you can change your password, and in security option, you can, if you want to hide or delete your account, you can do that.